of the Muthoot Group. Over to you, sir.
Thank you. Dear MC Paulo Achan, Aju Achan, Jason Achan, and all members of Hoskas Church. It is with deep grief and sadness that we mourn the passing away of our Catholicos of the East and Malankara Metropolitan, the supreme head of the Malankara Orthodox Syrian Church of India, His Holiness Moran Mar Basilios Martoma Paulos II. During the last 4 decades, he served the church as a metropolitan, as a Catholicos, and as the Malankara Metropolitan. His Holiness Baba Tirmeni's demise is an irreparable loss to all devotees of our church. Just like how Moses led Israelites in the midst of adversities and crisis, Baba Tirmeni too led our church through troubled times and brought us safely to the shore. His unquestionable faith, absolute devotion, and innocent love for one and all, along with his tireless efforts and contributions towards the society, was some of his many salient qualities. Purity of mind, warmth of words, honesty in deeds made Baba Tirmeni's personality an example for others to follow. On multiple occasions, I have personally witnessed his overflowing love, affection, prayers, and good wishes for the entire Muthoot family, and especially for my father, late Shri M.G. George Muthoot. I too have been a beneficiary of his abundant love on many instances. During his visit to our corporate office in Delhi and during his visit to Paul George Global School in Alaknanda, I have always felt that irrespective of class, color, creed, or any socio-economic discrimination, His Holiness always showered his love and blessings on all beings uniformly, a saintly virtue that made him a true son of God. His innocent smile and glowing face shall forever remain in my heart and mind. In fact, Baba Tirmeni's relationship with the Muthoot family is a 4-decade-long close-knit association. My father, late Shri M.G. George Muthoot, was very dear to Baba Tirmeni. From the 1980s onwards, my father was a managing committee member from Delhi Diocese, and he had developed a close and early association with Baba Tirmeni. I believe that it was a privilege for my father to have attended the Holy Synod as a special invitee, the Holy Synod comprising of His Holiness Vatukunel Baba and His Grace Paulos Mar Militios, who later became Baba Tirmeni. During Baba Tirmeni's regime, Appa was the lay trustee of the church for 10 years. And during these years of close association, and until my father's demise, they shared a very special bond with each other. Even after stepping down as lay trustee, my father continued to remain closely associated with Baba Tirmeni and supported him wholeheartedly to address and support the resolution of various complicated church matters. He used to telephone Baba Tirmeni often, almost once every week, and during their long conversations, he used to understand Tirmeni's wishes and priorities and used to intently work to implement the instructions on topmost priority. As a family, we cannot forget the love and affection and care Baba Tirmeni showered on us, especially during our most challenging times. We thankfully acknowledge his presence and caring words during those testing times. On a separate note, I'm also highly privileged that Baba Tirmeni was the main celebrant of my wedding ceremony at Parimala Church. I also fondly recollect Baba Tirmeni's visit to our corporate office in Delhi. He spent a lot of time in the office and offered his prayers and good wishes. He blessed all Muthoot family members, staff members, and the office premises himself. He also visited our home on many occasions. In April 2018, he also visited Paul George Global School, which was started in the fond memory of my elder brother, Paul M. George. Before leaving, he blessed the school, the entire staff, and wholeheartedly appreciated the contributions made by the Muthoot Group, particularly in the field of education. Baba Tirumeni had a special place in his heart for the marginalized sections of the society. He had initiated a project called Sneha Sparsham, through which thousands of poor patients who were suffering from illnesses got medical relief. Eminent personalities like Shri M.A. Yusuf Ali, Srimati K.S. Chitra, Shri Mammootty, Shri Mohanlal became part of this project through Baba Tirumeni's personal involvement and commitment towards this noble cause. I also remember that completing the International Cancer Center at Parimala was a major dream project for Baba Tirumeni. However, the project completion faced many challenges. By fulfilling Baba Tirumeni's instructions and our humble contribution towards the completion of this project, my father and the Muthoot Group consider themselves extremely fortunate and blessed. Baba Tirumeni always had full faith in Parimala Tirumeni's intercessory prayers, and through him, the Muthoot Group received continuous blessings from these intercessory prayers of Parimala Tirumeni. The untimely demise of my father created immense grief for all of us. But the prayers of Baba Tirumeni was a huge consolation. His prayers were the strength for us to recover from this irreparable loss. Though he was unable to physically participate in the funeral service due to his ill health, but his consoling words and prayers gave us tremendous strength to bear such an irreparable loss. Despite being very unwell, he sent a personal letter on 8th of May, just a couple of months back, addressed to my mother, Dr. Sara George Muthoot, which we have